All right, who's got another question?
We got one right here, buddy.
Where you at, John? Will you give me a wave?
Way over here.
I got
this
you.
Side.
Speak a little bit louder into the mic for me if you guys don't mind.
Hey, good afternoon, everyone. Fantastic being here in front of some incredible speakers. I have a question. What's one thing you would tell your younger self about business?
One more time, what was the question, John?
What would you tell your younger self
That's a good
about
question.
business?
That's a great question. I feel like it's like that Tom Brady quote where you almost cried, right? You guys see that one on Instagram?
I wept.
Yeah, I wept on that one too. Paul?
My bookkeeper, Joey Coberly, has a man crush on Mike Andes. He found out that you're going to be on this stage. He's like, you're going to meet Mike Andes? I was like, yeah.
How is it not hard not to? Look at this guy, man. He's a good looking dude. Look at that photo.
But I bring that up to emphasize, and Mike, you mentioned this. When I started out, I didn't know how to truly understand a profit and loss statement, a statement of cash flows, balance sheet. Those are foreign to me. So as quickly as you can understand the financial component of your business, that is so important to your long-term success.
Blake?
I would figure out what I like to do and be consistent and be confident in doing that. That's a little higher level, but consistency is key.
There you go.
Something we've talked about a lot with our franchisees this past couple of years is higher lows and lower highs. Most of us will only lose the game of business because we quit during a low, and whether it be depression or just a really tough spring rush or a couple of employees walking off the job, the same day that you get 2 customers swearing at you in the face, the same day that your checks bounce on payroll. When that happens, that's a low. And I think if I was to talk to my younger self, I'd say have lower highs and higher lows, which means when it's really bad, it's not as bad as you think. And when you're really, everything's great and you just sold this $40,000 job and there's a bunch of money in the bank, bring yourself down a bit and just live a little bit more level of a life. And some people will call you boring, but boring business owners and boring entrepreneurs typically make billions of dollars. And so if that's your goal, stick with that.
I think we're gonna rip the audio or something later, Evan, and just have a Mike Andes playlist. You know what I mean? Just nugget. Yeah, okay, we're working on that. We got you.